In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the intake camshaft position sensor on this BMW X5. This is going to be located on the side of the engine. Let's get into it. Take this panel off. I'm just using some trim tool pliers. Pull the push pins out. Grab the panel, slide it off, and disconnect the connector for the mass airflow sensor. Slide that out of the way. These two clips, we're just going to use a straight blade screwdriver to get behind there. Pop those out, slide that off. Take these two bolts out, use a 10mm socket. Grab the air box. Slides right out. There's a clamp in the back here. We're going to loosen that up. Use a straight blade screwdriver. Take that off. There is a retainer that this wire is attached to. I'm going to just pop that off. Let's see, that was right there. We're going to remove this cover. There should be little caps on here and here. You just want to take a pick or a straight blade screwdriver, just get under the caps, pop those off, and use a 10mm socket. We'll take these bolts out. Get the one in the back. Pull that out, pull this cover off and out of the way. We're going to disconnect this hose just to move it out of the way a little bit. Just push on the tab on the top and the bottom. Pull that out of the way. Disconnect the connector for the VVT solenoid. Just push down on the tab, slide that off, out of the way. I'm going to use a 1 1/4 wrench. It's a pretty good size wrench. And loosen up the valve. You're going to lose a little bit of oil. It's okay. You can put a rag down there. Pull that out of the way. Just put a rag down there. I'm going to use a Hex Socket 5mm. I'm going to take this bolt out. And pull that bolt out. You grab the sensor, just rock it back and forth a little bit. And pull it out. Should be an O-ring. So you want to reach in there, pull the O-ring out. There we go. Pull that out. Now way down here, we're going to disconnect the connector, push down on the tab, the little spring tab, slide that off, and you can pull it straight through. Just using a pick to guide it. I just got stuck on one of the hoses. And there it is. I'm going to take the new sensor. We're going to feed this through for it underneath. Once you grab it, you can move the wire, route it back over how it came up, and we can connect the connector. Get that lined up. It's only going to connect one way. And lock that in place. That's good. Slide the sensor into the head. Take the bolt, get that started. And we'll tighten this down. Snug that down. I'll take the rag out, take the valve, get this lined up, using the wrench, just snug this up, not too tight. It's good. Take the connector, line it up, plug that in, and then this tube right here, get this lined up, lock that in place. And take the cover, line it up, and the bolts started. Snug that down. And that one. And if you have the caps, put the caps back on. And I'm going to take this hose, get this lined up, slide that in place. Right, that's over. And I'll tighten this down. Snug that down, that's good. Take the air box, get this in position. Attach it to the hose. Latch that down in place. And these two bolts. Tighten these down. Take the wire, slide that in the retainer there, connect the mass airflow sensor, lock it in place, put this cover in place. It's lined up. Push the push pins in.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.